How to delete Slack channel messages in a group. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and navigate to the channel where you want to delete messages. Ensure you have permission to delete messages in that channel. 2. Find the specific message you want to remove, hover over it, and click the 3-dot menu on the right side of the message. 3. Click Delete Message and confirm your action. The message will be removed for all users in the channel. 4. If you need to delete multiple messages, you can use Slack's bulk delete feature or automation tools like Slack Deletron. 5. To use Slack Deletron, install it and grant the necessary permissions. Then, select the channel and specify the date range for deletion. 6. If you're the admin, you can change message retention settings in Slack's workspace settings to automatically delete older messages after a set period. 7. Always double-check before deleting messages, as Slack does not offer a built-in recovery option for deleted content.